Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing your fourth lesson and that is fractions. In previous videos you learned how to add the fractions and in today's class we are going to add the mixed fraction, the addition of mixed fraction. To solve this addition of mixed fractions, here there are two methods, method 1 and method 2. Here I took one example 4 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 4. Okay, so one example I will solve by method 1 also and I will solve by method 2 also. Okay, so here in your my practice time 4 they given minimum 5 examples and their first question is there, use method 1 to add the following, use method 2 to add the following. Okay, so you have to know both the method. So let us know how to solve this example by method 1 and by method 2. Okay, so here method 1 is there, no, first step you need to add this whole numbers. So add here 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next, which one is remaining here? Proper fraction. That you take here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now you have to follow the same method what I followed in previous videos. Okay. If you practiced that examples, then today's class is very easy for you people. So here first step we need to take the LCM of the number. So take here 2 and 4 is there. Okay. So 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again you take here 2, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. 2 into 2. So how much here? 4. Okay. So why the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Then for time being you hide this and 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Again for time being you hide this 4 how much are 4? 4 1s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So write here 4, 1 into 2. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay. So 1 2s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1. Again you write here 4. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And this 4 you keep as it is. So 3 by 4 will be the answer. So up to here we have not stopped. You take this also. You have to take this also. So what I need to write here? No, what I need to write here? For you, and that is for you 3 by 4. For you 3 by 4. So this step you have to solve the method 1 by method 1. Here first step we need to add the whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers 4 plus 1 is 5. Then which one is remaining here? 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Take the LCM of 2 and 4 and that will be 4. And for time being you hide this 1 and multiply with denominator. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4 and here you take 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 4 will be the answer. So I will take same example I will solve by method 2 also. So let us take that example 4 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 4. So here you have to follow, means you have to know how to convert mixed to improper. So multiply here and addition, multiply here addition. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So write here 9 by 2 plus 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 4. Here you have to know how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Next here you have to take the LCM of 2 and 4 and that is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again you took 2, take 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 as it is. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so write here 4 and for time being you hide this 2 how much are 2? 2 2s are 4. Here 4 how much are 2? 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. Okay, so multiply here 9 into 2 plus 5 1s are 5 into 1. Add here 9 plus 2 9 2s are 18 plus 5 1s are 5. Okay, again you write here 4. So 18 by 5, 18 plus 5 is 23. 3 and again you write here 4. So here I got 23 by 4 answer. Again you have to know how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. So divide here 23 and write by 4. 4 5s are 20. 3 minus 0 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0. So write its reverse order. So here, see here, 5 by 5, 3 by 4 will be the answer. Dear students, see here there are two methods. Method 1 or method 2. Two methods are there. See, here also I got 5 3 by 4 answer and 5 3 by 4 answer. Which one is convenient to you people? No, here you have to know both the methods. So in your my practice time 4, use method 1 to add the following, means you have to follow this method. Use method 2 to add the following, means you have to use this method. Dear students, for this you need more practice, so keep practicing one example at least 4 to 5 times. So here I will solve one example from this method 1 from your my practice time 1. Okay, so here first example is 2 1 by 3 plus here 3 1 by 6 1 by 6. So first step you have to add this whole number. So 2 plus 3 is how much here? That is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, here you take remaining is proper fraction 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So here you need to find the LCM of the number. So take here 3 and 6 is there. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again you take 2, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are is 6. So here what I have to write? 6. Why I wrote there x? 6 because the LCM of the number is 6. So for time being hide this and write here 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 3 2s are 6. Again you hide this 6 1s are 6 1s are 6. So take here 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. 1 2s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1. Again you write this 6 as it is. 2 plus 1 is 3 and you 6 as it is. So up to here over. No, I have to take this whole number also. 5 3 by 6. 5 3 by 6 is the answer. Again if you are cutting this 3 1s are 3 2s are then you will get 5 1 by 2 as the answer. If you get this is also correct. We will move one more step. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 5 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. In your textbook they given 4 examples. Among them I have solved here one example. Okay, so here remaining 3 you do as a homework. So let us solve by method 2 and that is second main. So here the question is 1. I will take here F1 4 1 by 6 plus 3 1 by 2. So first method 2 means you have to convert mixed to improper. So first here multiplication, addition, multiplication, addition. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 by 6 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. So now next step is we have to find the LCM of the number. So take here 6 and 2 is there. 6 and 2. So you have to find the LCM of the number. 2 3s are 2 1s are. Again you take 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 as it is. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 3s are 6. So why I wrote here 6 understood? Because the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Next for time being hide this 6 how much is 6? 6 1s are 6. Again you hide this 2 how much is 6? 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So 25 next you assume this the numbers are not there. Take this 25 into 1 plus 7 into 3. 25 1s are 25 plus 7 3s are 21 by 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. 46 by 6. 46 by 6. Then here up to here over? No. Here I have to write this again number in mixed fraction. So divide here 46 by 6. 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48. So you have to take 6 7 is 42. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So you have to write its reverse order. So what to write here? 7 4 by 6. I hope you are getting my point. So here I have solved the example by method 2. Dear students, I have solved here two examples. In first method you have to add just the whole numbers, and again you repeat the same procedure. In method 2 you have to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction, then you solve the next example. I hope you are getting my point. For this you need more practice. Keep practicing these examples. Before solving the example, solve the examples whichever solved by me, then you go through my practice time examples. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.